गदगद कर देती है, मन को गदगद कर देती है, दिल पर छोड़ती है छाप सदा। वास्तव में तालियों जैसी दुनिया में नहीं होती कोई और अदा, नहीं होती कोई और अदा। Rianj, I always wonder thinking about a very tricky question.
Vanshika Di, what is that question which bothers you so much?
I always wanted to find out that who is more powerful, Mama or Papa?
Only this thing? Just watch our next event and you will get to know who is more powerful, Mama or Papa.
So audience, are you also ready to know this? Please welcome the participants of Cute Debative Performance.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening to all of you. Welcome to Little Mouth, Big Matter. I am Navya, the moderator of today's debate. Today we will discuss over an important topic. The name of the topic is who is more powerful at home, Mama or Papa?
Mom is more powerful. Papa is more powerful. Mom is more powerful. Papa is more powerful.
Let me introduce to you our panelists. This is Hidal, Prince, Ashi, Drashya, Riya, Eknath, Aradhya, Rudra and Vivan. First of all, Vivan, you speak. What do you think in this matter?
Navya, I think Papa is more powerful. Mom cooks, Papa eats. Mom washes, Papa wears. Mom makes bed and Papa sleeps. No, I don't agree. Papa earns, Mom spends, Mom makes lists, Papa brings things, Papa takes no decisions. He does not even buy a shaving cream of his choice. If he does, Mom will say to him, "Oh, why have you brought this one? Return it. Tomorrow I will buy a lipstick. A shaving cream will come free with it." Now tell, who is more powerful?
But have you observed how Papa orders Mom? He will say, "Manjusha, where are my socks? Bring my socks. Manjusha, my shirt is not ironed. Iron my shirt." Poor Mom.
Poor mom not, poor पापा. बिचारी मम्मी नहीं है, बिचारे तो पापा है. Papa always speak politely, but mom rudely orders. She will say, "Listen, there are webs all room of the house. Take this web remover and remove them. Today is Sunday. You don't have to go to office," poor Papa said. "Only as much." दूसरे दिन बॉस के आदेशों पर नाचो. संडे को इसके doesn't it makes mom more powerful. But have you not noted one thing? Papa can use his costlier things. Papa can use his car, but mom uses scooty. It means Papa is more powerful.
But as mom sits in the car, the situation changes. She reduces Papa to the level of a driver. If Papa switch on the AC on number 1, she will switch it on 3. Poor Papa will sneeze, "Achoo, achoo," and say, "Oh Kalpana, please make it less. I will catch cold." Then do you know what will mom say? She will say, "अरे तुम्हें जुकाम लगने की पड़ी है, यहाँ पसीना आ गया तो सारा का सारा मेकअप खराब हो जाएगा." And poor Papa keeps mum. Now tell, who is more powerful?
But who is the owner of all things? House is in Papa's name. Car is in Papa's name. Other things are also in Papa's name. Everybody says, "Bhadoria ji wala ghar, Bhadoria ji wali car." Now tell, who is more powerful?
Tell me in whose name is Papa? Papa is in Mom's name. अरे बताओ पापा किसके नाम पे है? पापा खुद मम्मी के नाम पे है. She often says, whatever be premium, take the policy worth 50 lakh. She will say, मेरा वाला तो ऐसा है, मेरा वाला तो वैसा है. Can Papa call मेरी वाली in her presence except his underwear and manial? No, there is not a chance.
We should note one thing. Papa can rebuke mom. For example, if Papa finds a hair in his soup, will shout, Shivanjali, why have you added your hair in my soup? You know, I don't like hair in my soup. Then mom will say, sorry, I will take care. This shows Papa is more powerful.
My friend, she will say sorry when her hair is found in Papa's coat. If it is found in Papa's comb, she will roar, पहले कार शेयरिंग शुरू की, अब कंधा भी शेयर करने लग गए का? Listen, get your shift change. You will not go to in the same shift when that black face Priya goes. Will Papa oppose? No, he will just say, okay, I will do as you say. Now tell, who is more powerful?
Mom is more powerful.
Papa is more powerful.
Mom is more powerful.
Papa is more powerful.
Arre, stop arguing. According to me, Papa is like the president and mom is like the prime minister. Papa has nominal powers and mom has actual powers. Papa takes all decisions at the aid and advice of mom.
Yes, you are right. It is the reality of every home. If anybody proves it, otherwise we will eat our heads. Thank you.